Hey everyone, this is Ambuj Mathur and I'm here to tell you about the PUMA Men's Coarse running shoe. This stylish and comfortable shoe is perfect for running, jogging or just walking around. It features a rubber sole for maximum grip and a lace-up closure for a secure fit. The shoe also has a medium width and regular fit, making it comfortable to wear all day. The PUMA Men's Coarse running shoe is designed to provide maximum comfort and support while you are on the go. The breathable mesh upper ensures your feet to stay cool and dry, while the cushioned midsole provides extra cushioning and support. The stylish design makes it perfect for any occasion, whether you are running errands or going for a run. So if you are looking for a stylish and comfortable running shoe, the PUMA Men's Coarse running shoe is the perfect choice. Get yours today and start running in style.
Shoes are an essential part of our wardrobe and they come in many styles and materials. Here is a buying guide for shoes to help you choose the best pair for your needs. Purpose. Consider the purpose of the shoes before buying them. Are you looking for casual shoes, running shoes, dress shoes or work shoes? Each type of shoe is designed for a specific purpose. Material. Shoes can be made of various materials including leather, canvas, suede, synthetic materials and more. Each material has its own advantages and disadvantages, such as durability, breathability, and comfort. Leather shoes are usually more durable and provide better support, while canvas and synthetic shoes are more lightweight and breathable. Fit. The fit of the shoe is crucial for comfort and support. Make sure to measure your foot and match it with the right size. Style. Shoes come in various styles such as boots, sneakers, loafers, sandals, and more. Choose a style that matches your personal style and the occasion. Casual shoes are great for everyday wear, while dress shoes are more suitable for formal events. Comfort. Comfort is important when it comes to shoes, especially if you are going to wear them for extended periods. Look for shoes with features that provide comfort, such as cushioning, arch support, and breathable materials. By considering these factors, you can choose the best shoes for your needs. Whether you're looking for casual shoes or dress shoes, make sure to prioritize comfort, fit, and style. With the right shoes, you can look and feel great while going about your daily activities.